On a calm day like this with sake, we felt like having some California roll. Three spoons of sugar mixed with rice vinegar and mirin, and about 150 ml of mirin, and another 150 ml of vinegar and water to tone it down. In this video I didn't really show exact amount of liquids being poured, so if you go by the footage it will need some corrections as you go. But trust me, it's very simple to adjust, just figure out which component needs more pouring. If it needs more sugar or mirin, or if it needs some more acidity with vinegar. Your palate rolls when it comes to your cooking. For the liquid, just enough to cook the rice grains individually. Put mayonnaise on imitation crab meat and mix them together. This is optional, but I added in some shiso leaves for more flavor. Start mixing them in a bowl until everything is evenly coated. Prepare nori and pat rice down on it, then flip it. After turning it over, place ingredients on it and start rolling them. I happen to put too much rice in it, but you can always add more of crab meat or just cut the nori to shorten the length. And because it's California roll, and Cali rolls always need fresh avocado, slice those rolls in your preferred size. And serving with sauce. I made my sauce with mayonnaise mixed with sriracha and a bit of sugar. And that is it for our California roll.